So without further ado, please welcome to the stage America's funniest comedy magician, Dewayne Hill.
Fill those, make sure those are real. It's going to be 1, 2. Watch now. Take this here. You can give it a rub. 1, 2. Good. Got it? Alright, I got it. You got those, Curry? I got one right here. Watch. We're going to take this one here and place here. We're going to make that jump from here.
Open your hand! Open your hand! No way! Open your hand!
My name is Delvin Joyce. I'm representing Prudential Financial. Just had a chance to see Dewayne Hill in action. He was amazing. The crowd loved it. And if you ever get a chance to book this guy, you got to do it because you won't be disappointed. Amazing performance from Dewayne Hill.
Show it to the camera. You got it? Give me some what is your hand? Is that yours? Hold your hand. Wave it back.
My name is Tim Thaler, and I am the CEO of Nova Oil and Gas here in Oklahoma City. Unlike all the other people that you'll see on these video references, I am not drunk, but Dewayne did a fantastic job. He really brought everybody together in a way that made it tangible for everyone, and we just had a really great time. Thank you very much, Dewayne.
All right. Here, who's going to take out a card? Here, take out a card. Look at it. Show it to the camera. Come here, take a cut. Give us a cut, okay? Get it a little tight. Turn this over. Was that yours?
No.
All right, hold out your hand. Bring you the 4. Watch this now. We're going to turn this over. Was the 2 yours? Okay. We're going to have the 2 and the 4 change places, okay?
Okay.
So we have the 4 over here. Okay? And turn over and see what you got.
Hi, my name's Cindy Lotman. I'm married to Doug Lotman, and we have LCC Incorporated. We are based out of Diller, Nebraska and Waverly, Nebraska. And we just had our company Christmas party with Dewayne Hill, and he was awesome. He was very entertaining. He did magic and comedy, and it was awesome. Our guys loved it. It was probably the best show we have ever had at our company Christmas party. Guys up there and included him in the show, and it was the best party we've ever had. Best entertainment we've ever had at one of our Christmas parties. We need to have it.